In fact, no answers now. The mind in yeah, Mamin can be man control. Now they may bar. There be. You had the opportunity, and then you remember African leaders are. Omunya opportunity no. Omeka your pain. You see, I mean, yase. I was here under John Mahama because of the politics. MPP for Mubomu Triswa.
Obama NDC because of LGBTQ.
I feel all of a sudden we kwa brochira we kwa brofo.
Brofo.
We dey tie when we hear the abrofu bu so mu. Let's take the kind of answer.
What can the pain?
Mugabe akacho mu say, hey, ye nye gezu. It is answer munu no mamu fama. Ye reject it. Uganda president was Maza discuss in that time Maza mamu mfa kra ma ho Gambia ya jame say Maza o yempe
o say Africa chinya mi
o kra de o say death penalty the Gambia he bekum o dey say Bren MPP for mu chireche mu say ye wonyoma bi wo ma say ye ma president Nana Akufo-Addo sign because the mimi yam shi minini say president Nana Akufo-Addo sign sa LGBT na exercise can na ye discuss imponko ye bechi yen ai say na ye discuss samra fun we no mudi she mu say untimi nka ho asem enti nka ye ka ho asem say ye mpempo no emra no obitimi bechi ye say adenti na mo discuss say we ye sofo na bi kra no preachi say nyankopon empem mema ne say wo kampo no ebefema yetimi bechi
communication
enti say sa de ni wo ma munim se na enye enti denti na momo NDC for ka kire ni pase on sign na mo fanya politics
munim we nyina
yentie ya kase president at that time or Al Jazeera president Nana Akufo-Addo sabre we asemo ye okan NDC for the campaign
yes sir
muntie o NDC for the campaign say ye busa ne say gay one some net sign no president ko ka so say the accept ye said then ya hodin bia sa na emum dachi bi
I think something that's bound to happen
ye babu bra Facebook ahimfie 106.1
what is happening in your country and homosexuality for example which I believe is illegal and it's punishable. I mean, why is homosexuality still illegal in your country?
These the social cultural issues, if you like. I don't believe that in Ghana so far a sufficiently strong coalition has emerged, which is having that impact on public opinion that will say, change it. Let's then have a new paradigm in Ghana.
Is that something you would get behind?
I think that it is something that is bound to happen. And when that happens,
what's going to provoke it? What's going to make it happen?
Oh, it's the activity, like elsewhere in the world. The activities of individuals, of groups. I grew up in England. I went to school as a young boy in England, and I grew up at the time in England when homosexuality was banned there. It was illegal, and I lived the period when British politicians thought it was anathema even to think about changing the law.
Enti sa okay ye papa sa same way NDC for the campaign pa because okasa Nana Akufo-Addo say it's bound to happen. So be ka efia sa bre no it's bound to happen. Say nyankophobia ebeba NDC for at that time mo the campaign NDC for mo the campaign sa it's bound to happen. Mo ye ne ti krom ha ye nyina so support mu akika bi ekire yem papa Nana Akufo-Addo say hey papa when your opportunity where from that noise catch yourself one sign na dey na okika nyoma bebrebe na say o man konfo no akwanya.
In fact abusiafo asem no de eya reho na eye asefem odwene ho a wonte asem because actually another day ya me no kasa yi enkrofo mudi NDC campaign anim eye adwumaden edima NDC aban enya akwanya ebetra Ghana konwa so enne no everybody has really regretted say auto naba edima yewura John Dramani Mahama na papa wo ye ote akonwa ma o kasa na no dendenden say obi abeka na akwa we na utimi kwatra TV so edidi na nando danko akufo ne MPP fo mpanyimfo nyina atem didi omo atem ekeka de opedi kire won kwase ampanyi we na otumi kwa ne nam galamsey site etwa videos ahodo edidi MPP na nando danko akufo ene na pam for atem nene die na asie nyina ne say finally say the yedi kan kaye no. The reality is out now, say, in fact, His Excellency John Mahama is the weakest and the most cruelest president that Ghana has ever had. I will say, one will say, you will nipa bi ohono obedi aban, obedi akonya, na onye niyama ni nkoyia. You can give him a reason. The entire namso and niyama nkoyia na what you make is okay. He will find a way to move on. But here at John Mahama, you cannot say no, he's trying to find where the problems are. Because remember this one in your head, Fatu Tim. Say you're a Mahama, or the vice president paying. When you are a vice president, you have access to every legal information and every secret amamumu. Problem wa man no nyina uhuni nyina osambe ye kandifo ankasa the president, the first gentleman of the land abra ye wura tames kaba bi nyankopon fa ne kransie. So people enkrofo na omo ye dedede ma John Mahama no ye na omo dwene ne se obi a wanya akwanya bedi oman no so a mine in different occasions no wasua bibi ahu bibi akotena nchen asan aye ne personal internal analysis ahu de ye ene de enye enti say ye to abama na he's coming to perform absolutely good. That is what people thought say His Excellency was coming to do. Not knowing say Papa no, he never cares about anything. He didn't remember anything. All what he wanted, and I say he wanted power to come in and serve himself so that his family can become one of the richest families in Africa. In fact, one of the first things anyhow he can secure loan for his brother, what is the name, Ibrahim Mahama, so that he can acquire some mining site. The Osangusu and he say, Papa, able to me assign a loan for a dear private play, not their enjoying a life. From there, the Osan and so sign a dear Nimu, Emma, Ibrahim Mahama, and San Saka, another site, a mining site. It in just 1.5 months. Who can Juma Mahama, ya wonderful, na Nasabio, and unable to me, I can't want sema, and then he said, in just 1.5 years. Or to me, Ibrahim Mahama, I conquer 2 mining sites, which is unprecedented. That is what the man has done. And some kaya can't papa promise in opposition in no. Tell me single promise you that Mahama gave in opposition. And then, wow, team me. Ube to me don't say, I see you, bo. I can say, no correct. The man has delivered. Adia ba ko betu me say we deliver. Apart from new yan and yama wayama no. And he said he has able to provide pad for school for Nkwada. Temi ye pa, mi ba nana akua from me wakwa ba ye. Asemba ko betu me say Yewura Mahama deliver. I am one of his promises. What deliver? Yes, why yeah? And he said, what to me act of part at the man kwada. No so no. Mamini di wom. That is why he was able to make it, because sa contract no ye would yamame Rodina Mahama nidia. He is managing that affairs of the pad for the school students, which is some $260 million and almost spending. So you see, Sakwa wo yotihoyi. Sakwa wo yotihoyi. Na sabio oti radio no so at the pass. no di Nanado attempt say the anti-gay bill na yedi aba parliament. Nanado nkojinko sign ya no di na attempt no. Na on kind de ewo mpo. Mi aba di matie mi ye pa. Na de ya twere ne wo bill num no. Papa we ntumi nya ntobo ase enkofa nkan ti ase hu de ya twere ne mu. But now he was out. He was out insulting and accusing enkrofo akwo we otihoi. Ne papa, ne maame, na busuamfo nyina ye ka omoboma omumbra omo abo. Enso de Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo ne nko a wabo ne wo wiase. But he was insulting Nanado adentia because these guys were paid and they were promised say there were going to be some deliverance for them to have something better after Mahama will become the president. But say they have all been disappointed because Ghana for akamfo ye wo baby say wo de wano edon wera e bi wo. So it was easy for Mahama to be in opposition and say all kind of things, promises, back and forward, left, right, center, up and down. But now that the power is in his hand, delivering of these promises has become a problem. And these people, they feel ashamed. They feel ashamed. Say, omodi omwanu tu umubi, can't be edema Yewura Mahama. Because they thought to say, His Excellency has been outside. And why then, while learning bibi, and the one problem say, war my num, entino obano abesofo. Mi ma. And then the ya menon ka say enkramaimu ensuo ato age afababia ensuo ato age afababia ensuo ato age afababia. Why and I was saying fast no me myself I cannot blame anybody apart from His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Ubisam said the reason is simple. He is the first gentleman of the land. He is the first gentleman of the land. And he cannot deceive himself, say he is not responsible. Because but I'm not to opposition, no. He said some things, what he said was making sense. And today, if we say the same thing, we are also making sense. Okama yenyina yete ye ho ase say Yewura Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo incompetent because onte ase de ntia Yewura Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo ote akonwa so na ensuo beto afa akra na ontumi enye den ensia no enti to him the fact that ensuo ato age akra afiri mo no it means that Nanado is an incompetent president. He's not responsible and he was not doing his job the way that he was supposed to do the job. NTN, men so me can the same thing. A fact is Yewura Mahama te akonwa so. Na enso ato age Ghana manya fa so no. It is clear indication say Yewura John Darega Dramani Mahama or ye incompetent and he's not proactive. Because abusuan sa me bebo video bi atro na wati nsema Yewura Mahama kan ye editia Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo abira na oti opposition no. Let me explain something to you. Hey, Nanado knew and Nanado saw the fact say nsuo to ewo Ghana maimu a ensuo shirifa babia ensuo shirifa akra ne kuro kase bebre mu especially omo wo ben epoano no. So Nanado brought in something we call the drip machines. The drip machines, you know, every single district in Ghana had his set. And I made up of backhoe, excavator, ketwana yedi two from tipper trap, tipper. Yes, it's a tipper trap. Was a friend said the machines I had this is a load ekotugu, and other things, other equipment. Say equipment na yedi buy, you know. And California be all the district ye wa Accra nyina ye chebi ma obia. Every district, your priority is different from the other. Enti ya na ye firi Nkurase tano number 2 for ya ye hye wuram baabi no. That drip machines no na ye de kwa koyi ya ka kwan ye kurom kwan a eda wuram ye de kotwa so all the time so the be ya ye betumi e de ka afa so. But omo ti kurom no a nsuo to hira nsuo to ana hiri no. Those machines na nanado de buy, you know, it was for them to drain to clean their drainage systems. Gutters ahodo. Any baby nsuo to a etne fano. It was made for them to use that things to clean all the areas. Said the buyer say nsuo no ta enkonkoshiri emfa manfo. In fact, here Mahama betran konwam o promise here say he will make sure say that thing will never happen again. But the problem is that Yasheda ate frauding tax force Mahama tia wonka ayewra samdogu enedano. But even though mwaba beto equipment they actually design for this purpose. Namasiya tax force wanka more equipment there was say munya adwuma no enkrofo no di sika mantri edi ena machines na wo say yemfa nko ye nyuma bi ente se na nka ebeboa yen amase bio nsuo to a se bio nsuo to na ebeshira for krompo na enkoye se ebeye for 24 hours na obi apon adwuma na otiba bi twen se nsuo ebe free 4 months na watumi akọ ne fie obi timi pon adwuma says this or traba be up to 1 o'clock anajo and so watumi asan akọ ne fie nkasa ne mani kwase hu si because you don't wait for the rain season to come before you start doing what? Cleaning the gutters. Temi pa because anya hwe no NDC for buy na yiwura nanado a prepare niema guha ma won said ye be ya sa adwuma we nkenko yese afi na ukọ hand tractor afi na ukọ hand excavator afi na ukọ hand tipper truck afi na ukọ fa excavator driver so omo meboa ma yetete gatam ye were equipment essence won krofo ayafa won ayepia won ka bosomi bia a omo ye available to solve those problems. My question will remain the same. Adentia ye was a tools we nyina Adentia you Ranado abo modern dream Ghana for who I prepare all these things available. Now still this government and to me and manage and proactive and solve the problems before it happens. Now every time no you train a man so to a shiri edifa Ghana for ansana ya just say kotigatam. And remember, baby and so no toy a trifano, baby and so no toy a shitty fana, baby aye fee aye dentino, sabre way and so toy, would the excavator cosiosa o quacoteho, amansuna ya quenya, afamu afria. It is not possible because a moody place. Until never be saying no, you do them anticipating the problem and bringing out solutions earlier before it happens. But when you have an incompetent man and incompetent people surrounding him, they will not do that. In fact, Bob Marley can sing him or say, in abundance of water, the fool, hey Bob, I go ponka or wherever you are. Or say, in the abundance of water, the fool is always thirsty. What you say? Or say, even abra ensuo abuso no ojimi fo na nakwase ano ebre bia no ensukom esanso de no Bob ne kan ye nyam na meka. And even though Nanado has provided all the tools, all the necessary machines to solve the flooding problem in our capital town, and I'm lack of knowledge into no. And so to still no na shiri e dia fire abusia And so na eshiri fire woman no enye baby esisi dan no nko na ye the main cause of it o. Enye no a gates no bebre no emu ye fi gates kakraka na nsuo no to a etwi fam ekogu ponum no bebre no ehira ye ma e wo se edru when a summertime na we body dende no you must to clean all these gutters say that be nsuo no sha ase na eja gumu a watumi anya proper drainage system a ebetwi nsuo no de akọ na emme pepe ye nso na ye nhiri fire enti de ekoso wa akrai John Mahama, His Excellency, are you happy with what is going on in Accra today? His Excellency, the President of the Republic, Papa Mibisao, are you happy with what is happening today? Say, in Soto, na Oman Ghana, our capital, our first city, a city as Obi Bagana, that is the first place that he landed. Enti de ekoi eyenye. Abra, you want every needed equipment to solve this problem and to make Ghana better. Now, me kanama sense should be in the abundance of water. The food is always tasty. We bob na kaya, enyame na meka. Now you see, Amamu leading the country, being the first gentleman of a land, it's not about talking. And yeah, about talking, no. It is about proactiveness, foresighting, uhu adieno before it happened. But I think the actual leadership that we have, they lack that foresight. The actual leadership that we have today, they are facing something we call power drunk. To me, abro wong. To me, I'm a more to send sambro wong pepepe. That is why we find ourselves in the situation where we are now. Because saying yes, sir, we don't deserve to be in this situation that we are. Now, Abusia, maybe koso na mabo video biacho too. I would like you to share this video. I would like you to share this video, comment on the video, and also try to make sure say ube like it na why day. Ode ube like video no na ode onsa ebesi akoma no so say the be ya video no betumi arane na akona nim. E ha your Ras Media GH on YouTube, on Facebook. Your live our YouTube and Facebook. Essence what platform ewo TikTok, but you need live for her. Remember, on the various platforms. Now subscribe to my channels on all the various handles. Me yokwesi Samuel me mwakwaba. Me mame nana akuya afromichia yepa. Kwesi Samuel bo apen kwaku Omar Farouk mecha oponche cheku. Anyini bi Benjamin nana ya Isaac Boateng enemo amaba nyina mecha chemu nyina eda mu nyina semu aba. Na yenkone nkonkotie abra na mara kosaboaje expose the weakness of His Excellency John Mahama. Everyone is obibi oto abama John Mahama bia no ne hu obra. But no ne ho, because the performance of the man is absolutely non-go there. It is unacceptable. People thought that this one was coming with an effective energy to change things. What we see, he is repeating the mistakes that he did in 2012 to 2016. That is what the man is repeating. And we are not afraid to speak truth to the power. We are not afraid. We are not cowards. We will say what we think. We will say what we have seen. And we are not going to talk based on our personal information. As we found a source to support what we are talking about. No one will say, "Enya no mudwabi na mi dwade achrewo." And I say, "Yes, be entro bi na mi di e di ato obi so." But I'm talking about the reality on the ground. Drip machines, no. Greater Accra, district ho bia no, obi anya drip machines ni bi. Greater Accra, enya afi na ekwakoyi wura mu kwan So that drip machines are needed. Say the big clean your gutters, no. Na your gutters no be free. Na nsuo to a atwa fam boko. Na asem edina semko. Forget about the demolitions no more, you know. That one is just for the octaves. So one there, it's just to show say we are doing something. Because in fact, a binary task force. Now, some of us were thinking say that task force was going to do the job. Say they were going to clean all the gutters across Accra and other bigger cities to avoid this flooding. But the task force are rather going out, in and out, breaking down houses. But bisa who say ye bubu dan no kura na niama na ye bubu no cement ne blocks na ye bubu no ehe fa na ye de kogu. Do we have a good place ye de kogu a ensamba meye se besimia broko drainage system na? This is my question. Because video sama hu nyina excavators no so obubu niama na aka ho. Abra ye wo tipa truck district bia wo tipa truck e betum dia sesa niama na kogu baabi. The American show said they are just doing the optics side of the job. They are not actually solving the problem. Yenti America Sabuaje and some of Candy for John Mahama concerning the fact that Accra and so Aje Ede Aboso. Like a video na shema me na yenko yani. Yenti video me here.
You think it won't come to anything?
They have nothing to give us. Listen, really? All the things he has said, the president is weak. First of all, he is a weak leader. Mahama is his excellence. He's a weak leader. He's clueless. He's completely distracted. He's focusing on other things. I don't think he's even worried about. Let me speak. You see, and this is a very serious matter. Hamza says so much and actually comes to nothing when it comes to the real situation at hand. Listen, and you see, these guys, they treat us like we are some zombies in this country and we just follow the crowd.
Bring him back
and
to
move
the
around.
Mahama attack.
This is what he said. This is what Mahama said when he was in opposition. He says that I am making a pledge to end this perennial flooding in Accra. And then he says, Mahama said his government will find engineering solutions to the persistent flooding issues, especially in Accra, if he is re-elected as president in the December 2024 elections. He made a Facebook post, May 27, 2024. This is what he said. We cannot afford to continue risking the lives and livelihoods of our people. It is time for real change and real solutions. Commenting on the floods in Accra, Mahama criticized the MPP's government's failure to manage, and this is where it is key, and prevent floods effectively. And he highlighted a deep concern about the government's flood prevention and management plan. This is Mahama speaking. This is the man that has the power now. He has 4 flooding seasons, or let me say 4 rain seasons. Is that correct, engineer? 2 of them, he has failed miserably, and he's still giving us hope. Does it make sense? Does it make sense?
It does.
Why wouldn't any citizen scream? Why won't citizens be bitten by fly? Why won't citizens be frustrated? You have 4 rainy seasons. It's not as if the country has been well to you forever. You have 4 rainy seasons. 4.
He might have 8.
Please. You are sitting in opposition. He already has 8.
No, I'm saying that
this man is already in his 6th year of leading this country. This clueless president, he's already in his 6th year of leading this country, and he's now looking for what the problem is. Pathetic. And you're talking about people. In fact, I've been bitten by fly mosquitoes. Which other ones are created by? Which other ones are created? Fly bees.
I'm glad that he has accepted.
I've been bitten by
not just in relation to this matter.
Because I have a very clueless, useless government that has no plan for the country. How can you be in opposition for 8 years after you have been president for 4 years? So 12 years you've been at the forefront of this country. You've been talking plenty. I just quoted one to you. In fact, he has one video that is on one of your portals saying plenty about flooding when he was in opposition. This is a man that has been president for 4 years, that has been in opposition for 8 years. It means that you've had an opportunity 12 years to identify all the problems in this country. Now you are voted into office, and in your 2nd year, you are now telling us that you are going to find solutions. Pathetic. Pathetic. 3 syllables.
Is it fair to expect a solution in 2 years?
But why, of course, if there is any precedent, that this country expects solution from him every month. It is this president. Let me tell you, nobody wanted Mahama back. The only reason why Mahama was brought back was because people thought that he had experience, he had learned something.
So people wanted.
Oh, please, I beg you.
So your premise is faulty.
Please, I beg you.
Nobody
please,
wanted
I beg you. I beg you. I said the only reason why. Listen, stop disrupting me.
I'm not.
Why are you fidgeting? Why are you jittery? Why are you? Your eyes are all red already. Relax. See, Mahama, everybody knew he was a useless leader. Because in his, it's useless. Useless means that you have no use. The man was in power from 2012 to 2015. Basically sank this country into a deep hole. Do you know why Mahama lost with 1 million votes in the past? Because he was completely useless.
So Baumia is completely useless.
Baumia has not been president.
But he lost.
Oh, please, 2
million votes.
Please. He has not been president.
See, some of the things
can you stop this? Can you stop it? I'm not going to stop it. Why are you worried? I sat and listened to you for 15 minutes. I respect me. Show me respect. Show me respect. Show me respect. Show me respect.
Around this table, even the words he's using against His Excellency President John Mahama, you know I will not use those words against Dr. Mahmoud. And especially when it's not grounded in fact. You don't do that. This is why you win.
Let's take a break here. We'll come back.
There are young people who are listening to us.
Nana, if you take an example, I can promise you that this show will be over.
No. Why would you do that?
No, I will not lose my thought. No. Tell your production that it's not my fault that I was truncated. I will speak. You will not go on a break. I will speak.
Dennis, don't do this.
I will speak. You will not do that on the show. No, you will not do that. Why would I be speaking? You allow him to interject me, and then you want to truncate my thought process.
Dennis,
why do you do that? Should I get up and leave?
No, calm down.
Then why shouldn't I speak?
Calm down. Let's have a gentleman.
No, but it's not to me, it's to him.
Very well.
He was disrupting me. Why should he disrupt me?
Let's take a break.
I sat down listening to you to move around without interrupting you.
Let's take a break and come back, and then you continue. Please wrap up your thoughts.
No, I'm not wrapping up. I'm not. Don't do that. I don't want to have issues with you.
No,
Nana, it's very difficult waking up and coming.
No, I'm asking that you make your submission and wrap up on the subject. So we can move on.
You truncated me. Please let me speak.
Please speak.
It's a very serious subject matter. And you see, Hamza, I beg you, don't interrupt me again. I know how uncomfortable it is to be in government and dealing with these things. You asked for it, so deal with it.
I'm very comfortable.
Nana,
and government can
when you are describing the leadership, okay, you are either a visionary leader or you are a useless one. That is what it is.
Are we going back to this?
Yes. Because you see, that is what we voted for. Listen to the president. It's 27th March 2024, and just this is his Facebook, right?
Yeah.
Great. I'm picking his 6 paragraph. He says, given the opportunity to lead our beloved country again, a new NDC government under my leadership will not rest until we find an engineering solution to the persistent and implement an effective prevention and management plan. Our commitment to this cause is unwavering, and we are determined to bring about the change our nation desperately needs. Means that it's very urgent, and then he clearly identified what the solution would be, and this is where he's a very useless leader. Now he's on office. Last week when he was in the UK, and somebody asked him at the town hall or wherever he was about the flooding, the man that said that our flooding is an engineering problem. Today that he's in office, listen to what he said. The flooding in Accra is not an engineering problem. It is a problem of indiscipline. This is the leader that we have.
That's not accurate. You are
That's what he said at Chatham
House.
House.
Was not what His Excellency President Mahama said yesterday.
I don't think he entirely ruled out engineering.
Yesterday, did I say? I said from the UK.
From the UK.
That's
not yesterday.
It's on video. I'm even putting it.
Oh,
Charlie,
No, you see, when the question was put to him in the UK, he's not referring to what he said yesterday.
When you label the president as being
Hamza, hold on.
Bring issues to
Keep quiet. You are disrupting.
Hold on. Let him quote so we have evidence of what he's saying. Let him quote, and then you have evidence of what he's saying.
And if you don't stop that, you will not speak again.
Well, are you the host of the
flooding in Accra is mainly caused by indiscipline, poor waste disposal, and building on waterways, not engineering failures. Listen, the president is a useless leader. The man that
Maybe
told
that's
us,
what the president
that
said.
is what he said.
That one.
In the
Yes,
UK.
in the UK.
That one.
I've read it to you.
What you just read.
But what he said, how you rule out
why-
But he doesn't rule out engineering.
building on waterways? What was that?
He
Is
said
that not an
what engineering failures. You know
And
more
he
than the
said
president.
mainly.
Hey, you know more than the president.
Oh my God.
You know more than the president. Why are you doing this morning?
allow him.
Would you
Allow him.
let? Should I go get up and go?
Hamza,
Oh my God. Okay, I'll think I'll get my right.
You have a-
Whatever you want to do, but
I'll
you will not
rebut.
have the opportunity to rebut.
Why
Like
not?
I let you do the first time.
Why
Because of
not?
what you've done to me.
What have I done to you?
Nana,
What have I
listen.
done to you? Why are you crying this morning
Hamza,
like a
please,
beast?
Would you
please.
stop him?
Hamza,
You have
Hamza,
destroyed the show
please.
today.
Let's have a good show. Let's have a good show.
You have destroyed the show today. This is all like you. I
How am I
can
destroying
understand.
the
I can
show?
understand, but this is
How
all
am I
like you.
destroying? But you see, my discomfort is that
Your discomfort doesn't matter.
listen.
Hamza,
There are
As an
people
individual,
watching us.
no, but you are destroying it.
And so we have to be.
This
This
morning you are the one who
and
should
he's made
have
reference.
I've made
And that's
reference.
why
So
I'm
we
saying
can all
that.
verify.
Okay, let
He's
me
stated
allow
that he's
you
made
to proceed. Let me
reference, so we
allow
can
you.
all
The
verify.
president, the useless leadership that we have today.
Oh, he has moved.
In the useless leadership that we have a useless president. The useless leadership that we have today
How can this
told
win
us in
votes?
2024 that the problem in Accra is an engineering problem. It is on his wall. Then when he's been given office, he's now telling us that it is not as a result of engineering failure, and that it is because of indiscipline. That is how useless we are right now, even as citizens, in terms of the kind of leadership that we have. Hopeless. There is no hope for us. And when I'm speaking, you want to interrupt me. When people this morning are seeing the clouds gather and they are getting palpitations, that's a serious matter. Stop protecting your government. Your government should work. The president was clear. I've highlighted it here.
My government, our government.
Who you and whose government? I didn't vote for Mahama. I am not.
But you are a citizen of the
I did not
Republic.
vote. Stop interrupting
The
me.
government is not for
You are
me.
in government. You are in government. Stop disrupting me.
You see, sometimes.
Charlie, but why?
Okay,
you are going to speak. Or you forgotten?
Flow.
You forgotten?
Flow. Nana, let him flow.
Yeah.
You
You
have the
are
full
forgotten.
time. I can give my time to you.
Dennis, please carry
I'll
on,
cede my
carry on.
time to you.
Is the Mahama. He can fail at everything. He has failed at Galamsey. He has failed at Cocoa. He has failed the teachers. He said he'll give them automatic posting. He has failed the nurses. He said he'll give them automatic posting. He has failed the unemployed 133 shift job. He has failed.
I cannot say they are recruiting 16,000.
Charlie, we are in a serious country. Do you know the number of nurses and teachers who are home, which he promised them automatic posting?
But he can't absorb all of them
But
at the same
did they
time.
ask him to promise them that? Did they ask him when
And
he
you
was?
see, what we do
when
is
he was
we also come to the
what-
realities.
Who is the reality? You went to promise the people. You two are talking about reality. So why are you telling me this? Am I the one you should tell this to? Am I the one? Why are you telling me this? Am I the one you should tell me this to? The man spoke, and we have him on record. I told you, see, every subject matter, I already have the videos of all of them. If you mention flood, I have videos of all of them.
What was said before.
Yes, I didn't say it. So why are you telling me that I should be realistic? You see, when you say that, do you know what you are doing? You are making the Ghanaian voter feels like they don't have sense. They know what they want to vote for. The teachers who went to queue, you think 1.7 million voters for nothing? They went to queue and voted for him because he made a specific promise to them. You have failed all these people. You told cocoa farmers you will build borehole and polytank in every cocoa farm. Have you seen that video? In every cocoa farm, there are 800,000 cocoa farmers. He said you put a borehole and polytank in every cocoa farm. You have failed all these people. As for flooding, if you fail, people will die. So don't fail on that. That is what Hamza should be doing. This morning, instead of gymnasting and all of that, he should be telling us that next week when he comes, he will come and tell us what is in the report. And come and give us itemized bullets on what the government is going to do to at least for the rest of the rainy season, which is the short term, prevent further devastation. I don't expect flooding to end all of a sudden in Accra. But you can do something about it in the short term to ameliorate the effect. And then how in the medium term next year, we will not see flooding like we are seeing today. And then you fix it. You said you will fix it. This is you. We the people don't care about how you do it. Don't come and give us excuses and stories and how in the 1980 it was like that and how it is something that has been there. You knew it has been there. You say you fix. I beg you. You should give some respect to the Ghanaian citizens. Where we are right now, people are irate. If you go and put a ballot box right now in Anakrom, you will get 0. Because somebody hasn't stepped out for the past 1 week. So there are serious issues. Then you don't have to just come and sit and do grammar gymnastics over it. You know the way these lawyers they are. When you say they will tell you are not a lawyer, so don't talk. They will use some English and grammar to just try and beat. Charlie, this is people's livelihoods and people's lives. And for me, I hold nobody accountable. I don't hold any citizen responsible. I hold the president responsible. Because me, where I live, it's a planned area. I have respected the laws. I have built my house properly according to law. And yet I am flooding. And you are telling me that I should be part of the solution. What am I supposed to do? What should be my role? When you know that in this country, if engineer is building a waterway and me, the citizen, I attempt to call him out, there may be a fight. It can even turn into violence. It is your job to make sure that, as me, I am obeying the rules and the laws and building appropriately. You will make sure that engineer doesn't build in a waterway. Why are you putting the responsibility on me, the law-abiding citizen, the one that I have done the right thing? Why are you telling me to come and help you solve the problem? When I have gone to queue, vote, and giving you the resources and the mandate to make sure that engineer doesn't build in the waterway, why are you calling me to be part of the solution? What am I supposed to do? When I have done all the things I'm supposed to do and I'm living, tell me, what am I supposed to do? Law-abiding citizen. Law-abiding citizen. What am I supposed to do? If you knew you didn't have the solution, if you knew you didn't have the solution, if you knew you didn't have the solution, you shouldn't have gone to put yourself up on the ballot paper. Of all the millions of 36, 38 million Ghanaians, you said we should give all our resources and our mandate to you. Now we have given it to you, that you are pushing back to me that I have, at the moment I'm not indisciplined. I am very disciplined. I have built at the right place, followed all the procedures. Why are you calling on me? You are weak, you are useless, you are hopeless, you have no plan, and you are clueless as a leader. That is where the problem is. You
all right,
say one thing and do another thing.
Thank you. Thank you.
No, relax. Let me come in. I'll speak again.
We're running out of time. We need to move on to our next subject.
If I will speak again, that would be my.
I don't have a problem.
But this is if you move on to our next subject. I beg you.
You now know it's important.
We need to move on to our next subject. And of course, I'll start with you on the next subject because
Yes, Etiabusia 4. This is the reality of what is going on in the country. Yet your mind see any leader. To be honest, any leader, because the promises that the man gave to us, it has come to a final close. I say, whatever John Mahama promised, Assembly Yewura Mahama can Tim Yipa, anything His Excellency John Mahama said in opposition has tend to be say, Obwa, enye no kre, on to me nyo, or even the common sense to do it. Now, look at Assembly. Can I say Assembly? I know it. No. This is Accra for you. Look at how this country Accra has turned to. Nana do Bresso, yes, of course, they were. You can say frauding. And so toye, Emma frauding see, but because there were measurement, and idea go akwa montino. And so no antamba medru say. And so no, anto amba medru say am fire and so krasa. We were able to what? Make it better than this. But in all this, they were telling us to say, Nanado is incompetent, Nanado is ruling bad. We gave them the power, and now this is what the country has turned to. Wow, look, a capital city. We a capital no, enye kurubim, enye drobo, enye sample. We the capital of Ghana. I honor ye the way na ye your face when someone comes to Ghana. But now look at how the country has turned to. Look at what is going on. When this man was in opposition, when he was lying in opposition, look, wow, look. Hey, where? Is this the country that we want? Is this the reason why we went out there to vote for this man? Our major reason of going there to vote for what was for this man, was it to let him create this coward? Was it for him not to go and sleep in the early night and allow his people to do whatever they want to do? To be a leader is not only about making money. It is also about solving the problems in the society. It's not only about solving problems. Because Senye is about solving problems. Now you're only to come in and do whatever you want to. Then everyone would have been the president of the republic. Because the privileges are not say and as emphasodi wunya as a president, no, enya deketua. That is why before you get that privileges, no, you must to be a competent person before you can get that privilege. Also, no, getting that privileges, no, ubetumi aye bibi ma wo mama omo ho atom. Papa betra kunya so. Everything is going, everything is falling, everything is unacceptable. Because on Kobia what opposition say dear. Now what opposition are dear. What Ghanaians were expecting was to see Ghana being changed under his leadership due to the exposure that he has got, due to the fact that he has been an experienced past president before. But it is actually happening and it is actually visible. Say, whatever this man passed through in the past, Abraham no president, you know, it was not enough for him as an experience to know how better he can manage the affairs of our beloved country. Now, because if you listen to the video that I played to you, there are always people who are ready to defend the incompetency of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. That is what actually kills me. That is actually what kills me. Say, Papa no M1 and homo or say your mind no. Na no young kotia say, on one koyi sikadu do be their free banks him adentia. They want to make the people poor. Say the beya mamfu nye sikam fan toniema. That's a mamfu nye sikam fan toniema. And near ma beba form. Because they want to control inflation artificially. All what these people know is only artificial management. The reality on the ground. Do something to solve the real issues. Make your people live better. Create a comfortable environment for your citizens there. He don't want to know. But we still got some useless and hopeless people like Hopeless Adoye, and moreover, that will come out there still trying to defend the undefendable Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Enkrofona omoye even ya frodo omo enkrofona yewura Mahama di anode anuham adada won atumi abu omo nsa chichire won nsa de agu won achi no. These guys will still go out there trying to defend the undefendable president called John Dramani Mahama. Into Tiakra, Nasabio, enam politics inti uosika, into aquacoto dan esi be posho, na isoto, na way ento. Na momudu when you say, and here for man or modo so monomokoto abandema wabino. And soto, na way no move face here. Why can't you speak the truth? Why don't you speak for the poor man? Why don't you speak for honor when you be no? Number what you rather do is say you are out there defending your president who is actually failing, who has actually tended to be opposite of what he promises. But adi when you know why? Because be a trim. But it be a trim. John Demiro, Eba Bontrebe can say, actually, the NDC is not after supporters or mourning there or more be. Because they want the lower class people, the most stupid people in the society, because only with them, and on between dim kwasema, omo ehu, omo ntia siempo, omo complaining. Listen to the video. This is the reason why we still have people supporting the NDC. We still have people fighting and dying for the NDC. Because the reality is, the NDC-based supporters, you know, the majority of them are the most poorest people in the country. The majority are also the most uneducated and uncivilized citizens in the country. Listen to John Mahama.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
A lot of the NDC members are, for lack of a better expression, people down there, the masses who are down there, because we don't believe a lot in intellectuals and so on and so forth, like some other people do believe in. We believe that.
So you don't want intellectuals in your party? But you don't believe in them?
We believe in them, but so I'm just saying that we start. But other stuff.
Explain that.
Bottom up. I mean, in economics, you have micro and macro. One of them deals with bottom up, the other deals with up and down. Deals with the bottom up approach. We are gathering the masses and we are moving up to the top of the pyramid.
Look at this. So you deal with ignorant, unexperienced people first, before you deal with
I wouldn't say
experienced technocrats next.
I wouldn't say we deal with ignorant, unexpected people. We deal with everybody, but we start from the base up.
So you do try and error at the bottom?
We do try. We don't do try. What I'm trying to do. So we a lawyer. We a doctor. Yes, I mean, Adinka, Memoakwa. And this is the reason why we still have people that goes around to defend John Mahama and Nema Oye. Now, hey, Nema na yedre. We are going on. Abosia, the amount for people are actually angry on Yura John Tarigadra Manima. Listen to what Kwabena Asante said about His Excellency Mahama and his initiatives on what? On the 24-hour market project. Listen to this video.
Local government minister Koran telling the assemblies 24-hour economy. A case in point, most local government minister Koran telling the assemblies 24-hour economy. A market, you know, market be AC 24-hour market. Some market, some existing market, and others only about 24 across all these MMDCs. It will be 24-hour market.
Now 24-hour market. What's the idea behind
it? 24-hour market. Market here, what the crazy Shemukna, I'm an education, Cheni, and more papa. Do we always have to do something? Which one? The demand is not there. 24-hour, because it's also on Canada, just how good go. Oh, pilot to 24-hour market. Bantima.
Yes.
Oh, pilot to Osu. Yanshe, because no, a jet dem dada. Yanshe Hawa.
And a junior,
but all across,
every district.
Oh, Obi, 24-hour market. What do you do?
Because
please, Obi. Hey, Charlie, the way we don't have money, you know, and we are prepared to put money into some of the things that it will not yield that resource, the benefits. Worrying.
But
yes, and Tio, Sankrofo, ya na be a trim. No, but ready so no mucha de bodanado na kufadu timedrena. All of them, they have all regretted of. How can you think of building into Drabu district, German South district, and German North district? Ukweden ukwa kusi 24-hour market na kuro de ebo anaju 8 upia bontena unhu opia. What is the sense in it? To spend huge sums of money for what reason? We are building 24-hour economy market. Miriam, whilst we have some risk in your marketer, you need to build them back. He don't care. He don't care. Foolish policy, political idiocy, and a NDC for. Adreno nimba bi omuko for free. You cannot understand who give them these ideas. You don't understand how they mastermind these ideas. How? Yento asure nko ye. Abusia body bamboy ejadam. John Mahama no ankasa ni fie. Ejadam. NDC for ankasa supporters of Mukoto Abadema John Mahama mo adwate.
Problem.
Abushan hwɛ ne yie pa. Wei ayɛ bɔle bamboy. Me papa bi na ka na so say charity begins at home. Wei yɛ bɔle bamboy o. Na nka me ameti hoi, kwaku ameti hoi. Na nyankopon ayɛ madom ama manya tumi kɛse bi sei. Na nka me kurom agya no ma na ayɛ de ayɛ. Look at the main road in the town. Almost on the clinic. This is the hometown of the sitting president, the second time president. Upgrade our clinic. They are just demanding the essentials, the basic needs of human beings' life. The basic need of human's life. They are not demanding for anything else. They are not demanding for, can I say, they are not demanding for anything. Upgrade our clinic. Sheka kwanye dan yuda. John Mahama no ankasa ni kurom. Na so no ankasa ni kurom ufuo mpo na otimi kata na ni di wo mbone say ya. How much more? And now, also Tiakra, and so to Shirifau. If I know, he will never care about that. He will never care. And video where bra, it is coming directly from the hometown of John Mahama. This video is from the hometown of His Excellency John Mahama. What this Ibu Ghana for na mananko could even on one kasa ni kuromu for so. And this Ibu. And how can you be a president? And I mean, kura yewo so. Kura udru how you're proud of. Kura sabio obibia to abadema war. Ujama kurono tete pam sam say. Na winye bibi. Fan support to one Emma Kuruno. This is Barry Bamboy, the hometown of your president. Just tell you, say, the man doesn't care about you, about me, and about whoever. What he cares is say, obey the president for another 2.5 years. Now I call. Now I didn't bush you to baby year. When you be kakra, when your pension, papa, that is all. The akanyira no emfa ho. And now yem kodem video we mra
completing MVP fee so ana mu complete
oti baby enti na no anamani abre de enti empanifo ne frame me a President John Mahama obre 40 President oti wan ntie ne ya Sasika no oti wan ntie ne ya me se 48 bi sa amre na ne $3 billion no na nkofo ti me de billion mako over 48 e free chrome ha
approximation for 50 billion
abanda danimu ena omu me na metisi ya complete na MVP fee so ana omu complete
oti baby enti na no anamani abre de enti empanifo ne frame me a because once I fie ka so mu ti eno am fire President John Mahama no ena.
Yes, and to everybody that campaigned, that work, Obibio ye Juma say Mahama mera media kunyano. Wanu ne ho. Obibio ye campaign di ma ye Mahama no. Wanu ne ho. Because this was not the expertise. This was not what the people were expecting. And you when na man for free Mahama ho. People thought to say he has gone home, he has learned, he's coming back, and he was coming back with the good things. Unknowing say, he was coming to do the wars. Now, man, Kobabia, don't go anywhere. We have more things to talk about. Ya won sema ho do e kasa fa ho. He abusia. Se mo be kai bere bia. Se adwadifo ankasa importers omo kra niema e di fra ma no ne baga na kora no se omo adwa. Se obe kai bere bia twema John Mahama call town hall meeting bi. Na okopie mo no o kan nsem bi no ma na sabio obi bia na onim John Mahama dwene say, oh, this man, he's coming and he wants to come and do something good. Tiasema okay. This thing.
At the charges. This is it's a 2023 Lexus. These are the charges. 20% import duty. Then after that, import VAT. Then processing fee. Then ECOWAS levy. Then vehicle examination fee. Then network charges. Then network charge VAT. Then network charge COVID. Oh, I'm shocked. Then Ghana Shippers Authority. Then import NHIL. Then network charge NHIL. Then GHS disinfection fee. Then MOTI import declaration fee. Special import levy. Ghana Export Import Bank levy. Ghana Education Trust Fund. Ghana Education Trust Fund network charge. African Union import levy. Then COVID health recovery levy. Then certification. Then IRS. You know, there's over-age penalty by 0 because it's a new car.
A few moments later.
Car dealers there buy also ye nema bibri because
Yantobase o. John Mahama wo position no. Na or ton anando danko Kufuado dinama importers say anando ye overcharging. Say port hodo. Sika ye ukwa kra nema na wodi ba kuruduma port ho. Sika ye je no ono no Mahama no dwene ho a onte ase. Temiye pa. Oso no Mahama no dwene ho a onte ase. So many of the people are not importers. They thought to say, "Yam kwenenkoto abama John Mahama na se oba, he will make some things easy for us." Abusia. And then the importers are out there crying. Listen.
I buy also ye nema bibri because say ohwe mo nsentro for more heavy. Mo say enko for no say mo kan nyina na say ye ton ade aye nto. So ohu enti bibi enoma bibri ho ma o sa ban etumi ye se na ebe ya ye dwadie no aye die no ebetumi akonanim. Ebi ni say duty say ma ye kan first na enim say nka dollar ne ba for mo a na nka e ye friend say ye dwadie no abayi but metumi aka say car dealer bia obebi se ne bia be ka cho so utumi tran the car park be 8 months na untumi nton ade be 9 months na untumi nton ade na sa na edidwa na e na fe nso China for no kwan o mafa awura mu no a o mo ton ne ma no e no so nya effect say wo ha no mo ye ka say o hu so obi say individual ba ko ono atumi ton car be 600 e de ma banks wo mreko a ye nim eno nso nti na ye ka kira ban say ye vehicle and access dealers union of Ghana ye anka say ye de ID card aba a kire say se won ton car wunya sa ID card ni bi enye so obi asori na import car obi asori na ye
Pacho what in ye pa papa no ko gina car importers anim me maame Esther Kebari maame mo akwaba ana o ka kire won say na nado enipa bone na nado tax or the tax egu won so because na nado mpe won asem Opeso mu on komu na ye ne srimpo no. Ene the reality after giving power to him no. I turn him back say in fact His Excellency John Mahama promises say or be taxes are free. Your friend is saying the importation duties no. It has tended to be a lie. It has tended to be undeniable lie. This is what I'm telling you, say. Ghanaians omokoto abadema papa we no. They have completely regretted voting for this man. They have regretted. And now more to Obama John Mahama. Ushi omuno biso omo say. Ushi omuno biso omo say. Enti DNT announcement to Obama Mahama be can't say because of LGBTQ plus law. But never pan by no. Is he able to implement the law? No. Obi be can't say because of agenda of anything 24-hour economy. Akwa kosi sen eni ho. Obi be can't say because of nkukon kete akwa kosi sen anya juma. Yes, because of inflation a form but wa uti hoyi. Utimi to aduane di. Are you able to feed yourself? No. Then why? It tells say the man that is now on us or our leader, no, he is weak. He is very, very weak. He is moving more than weak. Me always so na sama ne me mo akwa ba ye pa. He is more than weak. Because every little promise this man promised has tended to be unsustainable policy or unsustainable manner. To me, sustaining money in a year. Because how can you cancel taxes from the ports? But you know, yes, only a prayer echo some concern so coffee and a move for a full coffee. Now, swan and Yama. Now promising and say or best one near mana drew babia or the attorney team who drew one once now crying wolf. That is what has happened today. The promise is not papa de ma, you know. That is what people are expecting that he should deliver. Nothing more, nothing less. Because Ghana might not yet know. People actually vote based on promises on betting or more soon. And to Kwame appear. So what the wagner na yare na wo DNA NDC DNA enti adwene ntumi nya adwuma ntrɛ sɛ papa yi wa feli na wo so bedi na chi a wo de di na chi but wo Jimmy no kwase asɛm no it will show you where you belongs to in the future because you are a foolish man so obeba mi show ase na obedi matem Jimmy ɛyɛ no nkwa na ɛkɔ Asante Regional Minister Obuasi NDC communicated Jano.
I'm disappointed, not only them, because 9 people can't lose their life and we are pretending like nothing has happened. They said to me the same thing. And the whole regional minister doesn't have a briefing on it and want us to fold our arms. There is a serious demonstration coming on. They are preparing very, 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 very hard. And I'm being honest with you. And I'll be part of them. Because
alarm now will sound you.
Oh, yeah, alarm that may sound you.
Causing fear and panic this day.
I'm causing fear and panic.
Of course. Because uprising the banner.
9 people has lost their life and you think it's not fear and panic? They've killed 9 good people, breadwinners, and no action has been taken. And you think that's not causing fear and panic? My brother.
But the last I say more engaging with the mind and the government for some compensation. You know how far?
Baby, I'm a metia make a say. Baby, I'm a tia make a say. Mintimun say be any that and I draw any be compensations no koya for that one I do not buy. As I say, make a say dear, no compensations. For that one I know. No compensations.
Wow.
A man for done disabled. A man for a man for 9. It be 9. See the same previous as I see a check on 4. Now say cross a police maybe ball on 4 bituma. I think say or interdictino say. See it mean bop conform put to how much more will be a cockapin and you orchestrate this.
You see, I mean, you're comfortable with the word orchestrate.
It you see what orchestrated any fee. And this Elezato is telling us that they met before the incident. They met before the incident. And I didn't mention Honorable Eni's name. He mentioned his name in the video. Remember Honorable Eni. Honorable Eni say only any munetio na sanko money koso. So me asem no de mi ni obi. Na mom na asem no na mi twa ho de aye adanse. Pastor Sotimase. It was orchestrated because they knew if this guy knew that this incident is going to happen before and or say and the same thing happened. Don't you think it's orchestrated? What's the meaning of orchestration? To plan something, and they planned it, and it happened. It happened. Wow. They shouldn't think so. My year there's and one no. Among Kai say 1, a man for no papa no mokum. 2, a man for breadwinners no mokum. 3, a man for brothers no mokum. Oh, that's what I'm saying. And these 9 people. So Obia Onipa, Obia we busia 500. Nipa 9 is saying. Obia on number 4, 500. Nipa 9 is saying. They shouldn't take their silence for granted. Mom doing so my dean and one. No.
And for now, the last one we engage Honorable MC on this issue of supposed uprising or what?
You see, a hint and I mean,
so
because I'm on the grounds and I know how they feel. I know how they complain bitterly. I won't start it, but if they start, I'll join. Yes. Because I told me, come back. Me the means that you say what's the meaning of chaos? Maybe you couldn't pound come say you wouldn't say obusu ni you couldn't say they are boy came near the carbon. No be acting. Do you think you'll be happy?
Yes, I was your phone today. So, some nine question a year now. Naturally, say, Sabio, Yura, Ashanti Regional Minister. Now, who was Senpai one DC because NDC communicator for Boas say, Yakumu Nipan Kono, and I'm so Moko Babiso Moko Yoha, or Moko Yoha, and I have one too because John Mahama, Mahama, Ibrahim Mahama, the golden, the mining site, and I acquire Hayono, and the Abo to say more Pian Fan and Nine. So, what is looming? Let's say the NDC support base here, Boase, are ready to go and do a big demonstration against the Asante regional minister. Yanto aso yanko yanino nka samfan last episode na yemi phone license ntum bre eko kakra abusuyan afari military hospital listen to papa we are your friend Menta and Kando abra no wo position. Now, but you video now, video. There's something very important that you must take note of it. The person who the state of the hospital abra na NDC aban ewo opposition nti me kan kire bra John Mahama lose election no ana na dodam kwakufo ade be fa akonya no said na afari military hospital na isitie nti wutie asema afa wo friend say minta nka no eka na wo he video na ye dey show said na hositie ewi ana ma kire said na isitie nso
satisfied. This one is criminal, very devastating. I think that somebody must answer questions. Very disheartening. I didn't know the seriousness of the issue all this while. Look at what is happening here. I mean, you and I will have to pay for the loan for this particular facility, and we are leaving it to rot away. I mean, to the extent that some of the buildings have even been completed, but there are waste all over. Some of the materials are getting burnt. You have seen it for yourself. Some of the roofs, I mean, the storm, the wind has taken off the roof. What are we doing to Madagana? And we are still listening to excuses? This is what the NPP government inherited. Not a single block has been added to it. And people are dying, and there's so much traffic in the Confanoche. Why are we doing this to ourselves? Let's put the politics aside. I mean, somebody must answer questions. There are materials on the ground, lying, blocks, everything lying, that at least we can even use them. Even if money is not forthcoming, we can use the materials available. And we are not doing it. Give me one word to describe this situation, if it is not wickedness. If it is not wickedness.
Antibra, NDC are buying free akunya man you na do be di akunya na. NDC for mount platform say afa the military hospital egu ho ye nye ho adwuma. Krofo we pa omo ho esiro. Enyina be kai bra akwa efe Captain Smart onante call afa the military hospital ekotwitwa video de be kire ye. Even though work was ongoing, and for the military hospital, and yes, John Mahama na be CEO, and you would J. Kufuor and Sa no Juma. But unfortunately, we lost power. And the NDC are buying by, from 2008, and mapping 2016. Omwa nyehwe, and no free or coy. But Brian and be dear kunya pe and NDC for sure say a put pressure. Say after the military hospital must to be what? Must to be completed. Nanado did not send any soldier, any policeman, say Obekono akwa attack NDC for moko hoko yes have videos na ase for. But rather, on the contractor and kasema contractor and build a dino a ye complete ye. See even a power generator cracker home. Abusia Nanadu lose power when to me I'm operationalized because we lost power. And then this year be power no. Omweja hospital no mana dani wura emponchine chirebene jatane sibo and aje hospital na fam. The minority leader and the minority MPs in parliament say omonko no omo akoye ye chere e de akere president na president ama building no hospital no be operationalized na ye tumi de asaya de for yade a and this ya buying the only mu yoni etie
baby engineer e military hospital minority MPs aba say omo be twachira buy ni star buy na be let's you better as president Mahama na buy MC what man will be just south obes do mo say and then nko for abaji chi akwase south so for abaji na say nya de o mepene am minority MPs no every ade the taxpayers money aye na yes ra buy sa buy me no ye ba so ya for egu ase akwase so ya for egu ase woman ko minority MPs no every mo ko ready be project na green na si ati o memu na say president Mahama be to state security and they intimidate citizens say abia and president Mahama say wa na boni asanteman dey the ewu be the president Mahama boni asanteman ya dey NDC the ewu be da na ka ba say ana project ya papa kufo aba be ye na ka ye ba be sha mo say mo hen ready yan ka sana president Mahama say the producer na ka bo no tuno en ka kofo no system.
Yes, enti mami Mavis political Mavis ya da wase pa ene da bi o video ya ye fa through platform so I dey be kira adofo tio e brand this wa by mo no and this wo position no ye share ma TV3 4 ko ye video ho so mo di begu na na do da ko akufado ani ma se ene de se MPP ko ho akwache se ye adwuma ni wie mo aba mo nkompriti na amamfo ntimi nsa omo ho yade a ya soma soldier for so omo nko na omo nkobo the MPs miya oman Ghana de yete ho ene anyway me de mo besi a na ma bie phone lines na tum osu tumi frɛ na wa kyerɛ wadwen amemfa encha kese ma adinka amenwa meda sepa se wa ankasa wo gito ho so na wo fa ya apia kwame yie pa wa jimi dodo me de encha kese ma we som asama ni menwa me kyɛw yie pa me ma me Esther K bari ma won so me kyɛw saa nso na amenwa kwasi asamo me kyɛw yie pa me ma me nana akua afro papa bi me kyɛw nso yie pa me chacha adofo a mo ba ye nyina meso se bo modern like video no share comment na bo modern so na fa phone se si a na frɛ na won so be kyerɛ wadwen e wo topic no ho na yenye ne wa no na yenko me da so de nchia kase ma adofo nyina ye wo ha yenko ba bia ye toto nema from dano no ye solve nema bi minya solve wi a I will be always available on as we used to do every night na intimacy se bo modern a na frɛ na kyerɛ wadwen me da abusuamfo nya se meso se wa obefrɛ bo modern na frɛ ntentem na yenko yanim na bre eni ye side ai World Cup ne koso na Ghana for the ehuna mani o abrofo o mepra ye no ene de se ye master party kwan ma Thomas Partey nkobo ball ma Ghana o tom ye se ye ma ne kwan ma ne nkobo ball Canada for so mo ntia se ma ne mewuram ye nsem bebre Mama Esther mama mfro am say nobody is ready to call, so let me call you. Odi ofra, you have your time to talk. And yeah, don't worry about it. Mama Esther. Mama ya mo akwa
Would you so nya be ma to say?
Mpacho me ho ye pa na nso e.
Yesu adumo ne mo mpaibo.
Ye da Nyankopon ase.
Ne madam ho ye.
Obia ho ye pa, yes.
Yesu ase. Mr. Marco.
Mama.
Wo program ni on the by there. You see I yanka bia na say yenya Ghana for life now.
Da bi yanka bi. Yen tro mu nyansa kakra.
You see akwa no so na oni Dennis Aboaje also Dennis Ekon. O see enya ne den.
O see enya no kura se Mahama ba UK no kan sa asem no.
Omo kutaman pamaso ana.
Se omo yen kwase politics.
Where NDC for, let me put it to you. Don't play mind game with Ghanaians. Over to me play dirty mind games to the people who voted for you. But can who said and pennyfo kukudam our money be or school they know deep in politics and living in diaspora. A pinsu Ghana. So don't play that kind of dirty politics game in some of us our mind.
Absolutely no. It can't work. Enye juma.
What you say? Say mukutaman pamasua. Enye munko na yenye day. Yeshisha masunu mu ye mfanya day. Mamu. Because papa we ba UK grand and some more kaya no. Bebraman fonye day. Emo boss.
Yeah.
Nano ye ne na mafidie so promises say obema ayi diaspora for take it akore football. Wanka.
Okay.
Eno so wanti ana. Mr. Mafo.
Mama.
Eno so wanti.
So wanti. Yeso de ete pa.
Che omunya omunsam fo na Dennis na be sorry adware akwakotena sa nkofo we ya nase. Because program no mo be ye omusise na me ya glad say you aba ma to me jana na so ka so wa mo obi akasa say 15 minutes ma me so nya dan e kasa be more interrupt me he MPP for mu ko show so a mo ntena say mo mama no nya ba ko asem obi abekwa koka it should be the same because nkrofo way and pro omo can the same here 24 hours a year almost ye Mr. Mafo.
Amen.
Market bank and ye 24 hours a year wo Ghana. Wo kan ya way. Wo kan ya I would ye 24 hours market no. Wo kan ya way. Mahama wo kan ya way. Citizens no kro mo yes small business obo wa Mr. Mafo. Ice water, any minerals, any soft drink, light, any freezer, and omaton.
Any so borono, yeah.
Any so borono na dear kikamunina. But who buy and will light in so. So who bottle and fa crunch ma and Kokasa will be 24 hours market be the movie. Because more record of how to build. Who buy before? Who say we are the Mahama ebesisi ada. Who to dini? Or say Mahama builders and okay. So
the national builder.
The nation builder. And now two and you should now buy a month for Danya almost see all the call gribuku. We gribu would the come. Hey, this time they are gonna for near you. One more money to Yano, woman yana to Abama woman. Because I would say, now share NDC ni binos was what to me say, wisdom baku class one day, only be. Because Yakase, yanko, as a for my yanko, no matter why you know where they know with you no more. Omun reason, Mr. Mafo, sorry ya. Now what Jerry Aquani Denisa, Abuaja studio, Kasa, who Baba stop and say, President of Kudabe Bianca. Are you? Asante Madia, Miana Mikromunho, Mr. Mafo.
Mamma.
Iana Mikromun, any woman. Share, yes, see a deal, Nessa, we are in a day.
Yeah, Diana, I know we are Sunday,
Yes. So what you say?
Yeah.
Because this is it's from the founder. I can't mind. It was founder no more munyesika. More na mo ene amount for the ashata apino no name them.
Yeah.
Name them.
Watch my trace no.
NDC for never go on business because Obianim say NDC for omo yakwatu for mu pejuma. So what you say? Omo diane say obi hye. I to say like any bro for say monkey the blow. Baboon the chopper.
Yeah, yes.
So what you say? Kese mo de mo ba MPP for ba omo meye ni ye. Na mo de mo mra na mo medi. And a true so bia no betumi a challenge me say de make am boa. Shani MPP ba ye omo ye. Right from Nanado Excellency, any Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, a yet to one. And yet no mobile moody. Because Ushama, go dear, ye papa Baumian, and yan yansa, no mutogo, on Tonina.
What Tonina, at the pop.
Na Obia Buffets, Wamo, Wabasaka, Wamo. No, by no better son or Toma. Sandy Panwa, Jenny.
Or your man before,
because you see a Japadia, is generation giving.
Yeah.
Generation giving. Now, what you will buy, and I'm so cut them and so you would that. Now, buy you, don't buy another mass on our Tonina. Why you questioning? I looked at the Ghana and I'm also son some Fonso, most president was there on himself or baby or visit or visit. Open him the oil was massy.
That be.
Opianim and the oil was massy.
And Yama or Trico.
And Yama also Sadeko, ye Japadia all come at the money near Mutwa, money, Efra, Amama, Sons, why a Samam Pamason. What but a consort here. No baki can pass so much ye ni mu de she mo pa ba ntro na mo ye nchene kura na mayirem na ma analysis for no mu ko kuma so o mo ko hwe hospital NDC for them say ye papa na nado ayade na wie. But asante for omo minimum. Omo minimum midika bu baby ebe no kwane kwa pasie na hwe. Because sankrofo we they don't like you people, they like your time. We ya akania ukokromoti no mo yadai. Omo pe.
Yeah.
But pasa wu wadia was someone mu fifre na wayadia to ho. Se dachi ebe suaba ama wonu wo ba ana wabusuafo ana wo dachi ma etwa so no omo ba no omo bese no. No masa wie kakra na wo dia yeden ato baabi no. Che ukwa akama mu ababi ye tu agudie bia hwese Mahama ofuntum ho.
Yeah.
Hwese wo se ho.
Yeah.
Because enfan ho onum se okọ na wo ye president amana bedi wanim a no wakofa dwanfunu we na ade naba se me friend president. Are you okay? And na me boni di say the excellency John Mahama appointo etre ayedi bu man onibi. Eno nti we mu na omuti wo na omukasama no na omukotena radio so na omukasama wo mu. They are paid to do that. So what you say? Ye tia wa muka eno mu koyesa na sesa ye ntia muka eno mu kotena mfidie so ka ondo ne maame no omfa nhue mo no mudua se amamuo we ya Mahama ebuo na eya amamuo papa. Amamuo o citizen wo so inflation kwofo na wo citizens ekwamodi wo mo. Does it make sense?
Absolutely no.
Wa MPs ne wa onkrofo no wa points akra nuane e di from amanfo froso e beton fofofo sa adia na I5 sa nya de omo beton fofofo na wutemamuni no wo dia wo wadua wo se wo bete hu eda kakra no Mahama sa enka dem na wo be catch am say me friend president me friend leader Mr. Mafo wo betna ayi amansantin kan so na waka kyem say me friend John Mahama say oye leader appoint onye leader oye nation records what you say o say wo man o destroy bibia my so onu o kan ye na no fum no ka wo sesa mo to abade ma NDC a mo ba wan say ya ton Ghana ni esu obi anfa ne bag nko. And that is what he's preparing to do. And fun because my constitution ni nyina hye president ayede ase.
Yeah.
Etobetumi aye ne niema fon no na appear stadium kwasia no. Mesamafo ne sen e na etu na ayede. Ama ne gire.
Okay.
We are sure say appear stadium oya kani.
Ma David, we just say.
So ya Canada, not he's one of Kwame Tuafo no one amwako hene. One amwako hene na ne katrama. Se na ntwe de na enko na numu no. Na omo ye Kwame Tuafo omo wo mu. Omo mu. We mu na tumi tom adidi sika. Na mu be wu kura na mu awu. They are the blood of Kwame Tuana no more as for what santimema, tetena no more or more year santimama, or more blood and a woman. So what you say? They are so useless. They don't think of it. Of it said, or building a home, no one in a Sikadia Google, Nesikano, ne family, and will be Jadia Amano. Na ya na minti Ghana phone penny for na say. Me question me person me busa wu nia wu tie na nwumre say. Say what ho a hwe blessing. Yesin bibia say. Wo be wia wo man sika. Na wo dia ma wo ni wabusuafo na wo dia to wa ma wo ma. Hwe nyakoma te say de na ado ne Dr. Mahmoud Baumia esom wo ma Ghana no. Nyakoma eye akoma pa na som wo man no. So because omani ya wudia wo ma wo di abawiase wo beja wo mo aye den akọ na obi betumi ahye ade a wo ye no so e de aboa wo ba enwia omani sika na nkasa wo digya wo ma de ma advice no se ma wo banko school wonya nimdie a no akasa betumi de ayeden e de abon ko ban no de asom no because when say Mr. Mafu Uma wa ya wa mu guabruchire no sa what to dem bi wo Italy wa wonu say wo dan wo mpe o nye no wo po
dabi
wo no their adventures they be your pet the people from so what I say bia wo dia na akoto en kura ye kolo
o pe ba bi fufuro papa bi kura
o pe ba bi fufuro eti nya obia na ya no ope ne papa dia no ope abusua de but mu de mu ba ne ya de Ghana ma musam nsoma bone nko na mudi wo ma no mu wia wa hwe MPP ayi a omutue hwe ntokwa ena we ya fa book akose baabi ena we ya fa nya akoma pa edi nti na wo fa de ne nto ho na obi entumi ntubi no ntusu di openo ha
afumfum
afumfum ani brafun tantan ewo ayi Ghana fo mu selfish and greedy ena ama ye ne ye ma no baby aduro ni na ka eman a aka 1 year no manya o makwa pension anu kra po Ghana pension de so UK pension won ko ye UK pension is 60 something so what you say so we Ghana dia ko data ko man ko pension na muti ho na mahwe amakane factory bumi wo babia e ka manfo eba ebe show ma Ghana ya na omuntu MPP baso omo beye but mu koto oba e de mankwasiafo omo nwene so omo mebu o ma no ene ye bu ma mo eti akafo media me ne hwia meka o se sojafo no omo se omo ma MP fo no nko ho no omo nkwa ya mumfa ne se ayaniwo na ati NDC mumfa ne se aniwo na ati NDC ena mu na mu awunu nyansa na mu tie faako ena omo ye dan mu koto abade ma wo na na ado baaye eye busume ba mienu bi ena na light so ye bra na poso turn it out immediately asomu so no so on dum so etika munya sa tam no na ye dum kanea na sede na tene ne mu na e Ghana fo ko omo ndomo omo bedomo nka omo bedomo but munni adwuna ye di ye bibia nti mu ba no my best friend no na hope say metna se na mahwe Dr. Mahmoud Mabawumia amamuo na me gina ha ka say mi wo tidie esi na memo ebe ye krabehwe mumma ne kwan no mesom Ghana sama ma ne kwan a na mukotom NDC fo biemu a me ka kire mo wie ya no eye tabu sankrofo mu ye wudifo omu no ma no munkoda na munwene ho because ahemfo no so a mudi omu sisi so no ya munkohwehwe omu adwene obi mu munkohwehwe bi mu adwene mu because omu no ani bre bone na adokoro wo mu enene awieye ene asofo a mudi na aduani na mutuma NDC fo baaye bibusamo ene collections ai mo church members no omu kodwom aye to ade no mo nya bia beto
collection kura bo
musi dua mu kwa kuya ebe buakomo akumu akasa onyame wonu anani mu bedi samafo ame nkopem bebe intelligent Ghana fo ame nhira bebre ye da wase
ame nhira wo nso maame na onye okese ye maame Esther na ye te ne nka na obusua phone lines no eda so eda ho usu tumi frɛ na wachire wadwen ai hwiaba talata siedu mesrewa betumi afa me number yi na mame hi srewa so betumi a se woda so ehwe me a fa me number yi na mame hi ewo WhatsApp na me no ntumi link komo ewo underground pese me no link komo pa atin se wo na wo handle page na e fe ne talata siedu no na me no link komo abusian for last year be them so to me for na watch the wadwen na ye koya nim say atiefo so ni ho a me de besi hanom na Yankopon ya adoma ochena yatumi enemo asan abehia na ye di nkomo a efe na ede na ya kyerɛkyerɛ adwene atoto adwene ɛwɔ ye man Ghana ne nkoso ɛho kai hu sɛ de ye na ɔha bia no we are not doing for any glory apart from say ye man Ghana befa ne ntoma pafira na ebe ye kra behwe na ebetumi aso nipa ni miwia adinka metia oye pa eda wase ene wo bre saa nso na miwia werson asamani wonso metia da wase mema me tarata siedo metia oye pa ma me Esther Kebari ma ofreye metia wonso da wase ye pa ene support all the time no ho ana untimi kan utimi fra me private bisa me say Mr. Manfo na ho te send e na ekọ and that's a part of all those cases unya ewo menchen sanso na miwia akwasi asamo abra panyini he has been following me all the time ejiji me page and me create another page. He was one of the first people almost I'm finding out ebe support me on my new page on Facebook meda wase na masanso amwakwa baba ras media gh so ada say wo YouTube wo Facebook and also wo TikTok heda wase pa na support Mame fanchi akakra mame Diana Rivers. Mame Diana Rivers. Michia ye pa America eti say. Nimse wo ho ye mete won kanche. Sa anso na Sala Smith michia Mbalamba Asuma michia Bawa Abdul Rashid Kala Mohad michia Vin Wise michia Victor Ahmed michia enekwaku Mayinjima mama mia tia wonso ye pa michacha adofo nyina da mu nyina ase na mo bre me so obi emfre at this time enti me de wo besia na Yankopon ya adoma ochena at the same time ya sign ahia ewo ha eda so ras media like video no share na comment mama me de wo besia until we meet again no e be ne adios makra mu nyina